Hello everyone, my name is Antonio Ingram, owner of Ingram Cleaning and Sanitizing Systems. So today I'm here to make a really short video about Katrina Johnson, aka Boss Lady. Katrina, thank you for all that you've done for me. You helped me get into this business. When I was working for you in Savannah, I told you I was going to be one of your best cleaners ever. You remember that one? And you know, we just hit it off. Katrina, thank you so much. You the one that got me started in this business, and if it wasn't for you, I'd probably still be working for somebody making $10 an hour. So thank you so much, and keep up the good work.
Hello, my name is Yasmin, and I am from the beautiful Miami, Florida. Working with Tenacity Academy has been amazing. Ms. Johnson has helped me in more ways than I think that she has realized, just for me structuring my business properly, just me running things smoothly. She really teaches you how to make sure your business is structured and ran in a way that you can slowly remove yourself, but everything is still running and flowing properly as if you were still there. Me being more organized, me being more confident as a business owner, because being confident in your personal life versus being confident in business is two completely different things. And I think a lot of times people just feel as if they're good in one thing, they're going to be great in just jumping up and saying, hey, I'm going to have a business. And that's not the way that's going to work. It takes time. It takes effort. It takes you just really building up a momentum to have patience, to be organized, to structure your days out properly, to understand that each and every day is something that you could be doing. And that's something that Ms. Johnson really taught me. Just from me being on the phone with her sometimes for long periods of time, just trying to figure things out. She always gives me the best possible advice. She comes off more of like a genuine, caring person versus someone that you just signed up for her mentorship program, because it's been times I have called her impulsively outside of our structured meetings and she still answers, she still helps. She's there, she texts back, she emails back. I call her sometimes with just different things that's going on, because in business, we all know it's random. Some days, the most random things occur, and you have to always be on your P's and Q's. And sometimes just knowing, like, I could pick up the phone and she'll be able to assist, give me the best advice is something that I genuinely appreciated, because signing up for a mentorship program was very scary for me, because I'm pretty sure we all sometimes have our negative and positive thoughts about it, but I can honestly say the program has been amazing. From the first month to 3 months later, I can say I have grown as a person. My business has grown drastically. Just even so much as how I deal with my employees, how I just structure everything. I am genuinely appreciative for Tenacity Academy, and I will suggest the program for anyone. I just recently landed my first contract, and just for me to be on the phone when they first called me, Ms. Johnson was the first person I called before I called anyone. And to see when I actually landed it, it was a blessing in itself. And to be able to share that moment with her really meant a lot to me, to really be able to show her like everything that you showed and you taught me and you installed in me to take to my business. It really played a part. And now at the end of the closing of our 3 months, I can honestly say like this entire program has been beneficial, and I will refer this program to anyone. Be sure that you guys check out this company, this program. Make sure that, you know, you have to understand nothing's going to work if you don't put in work yourself. Be ready to step down 10 toes and take your business and elevate your business to the next level with Tenacity Academy. And make sure you guys check out all the programs, all her YouTube channels, everything. Please make sure you sign up today. Thank you.